Hey guys, for today's recipe, I am showing you guys a very juicy bacon wrap chicken, okay? This recipe is really easy. I'm sure you will love it because it's quick and easy. Let's see how it's done. Now I am preparing for the seasoning, okay? I am mixing a bunch of seasoning, whatever seasoning you like. For my seasoning, I am using ground black pepper, thyme, dry parsley. I'm using garlic powder, paprika with a little bit of salt. Mix that together. I'm using 2 chicken breasts for this recipe, and you know chicken breast is usually very dry, so the bacon wrap will definitely make it super juicy with the bacon fat. So what I did, I just cut them, but I wanted to go one step further and add a little bit of cheese inside the chicken breast. So that's why I kind of cut a little bit of the chicken breast so I can insert the cheese. This is very optional, honestly. You don't really have to add cheese to it, but I wanted to add the cheese. So I'm going to marinate or seasoning the chicken breast just like so. Then we're going to insert the cheese and wrap it with the bacon wrap. I have a recipe for a chicken breast, stuffed chicken breast. You can definitely stuff the chicken breast as well with spinach, cream cheese, onion, and then wrap the bacon. Oh my god, it's going to be amazing. But I just wanted to use plain cheese for this recipe because I don't have any plain cheese chicken breast, so I wanted to just throw that out there just in case y'all want to try it. But once I am done adding the cheese inside the chicken breast, basically what you're doing, you layer 3 to 4 bacon strip and then roll your chicken on it. Make sure it's nice and tight so it doesn't come undone when you try to cook it. If the bacon strip is too long, of course you can cut it with your scissors, with your shears, whatever you find in hand. It's pretty quick, like I said, and it's a quick snack. It doesn't take long. It tastes really, really good. The chicken came out super juicy because of the fat from the bacon. Oh my gosh. So this is it right here. I went to a restaurant and tried it. I'm like, I need to make my own. I need to make some at home. So that's how I come up with this recipe. Okay, and if you're watching, you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe. And this is what you have once everything is well wrapped together with the bacon. Now in this cast iron, I don't really have to add any grease to it. Just basically place your bacon into it and let it cook. Okay, now the chicken is not going to fully cook. Once your bacon is nice, have a beautiful golden color, you're going to take your cast iron, just place it in the oven, 350-degree oven. Then you're going to cook it for about 10 minutes just so your chicken breast can cook through, and then basically the recipe is done. Hopefully I didn't really talk too much on this recipe. Guys, I need to show you guys the YouTube plaque. Let me know if you guys want to see it. And I'm trying to do a mukbang so I can show you guys. Let me know what type of mukbang you want to see. Once it is done, come out the oven. That's what you have. A really nicely looking, nicely done bacon wrap. Juicy. Oh my god, you see the cheese in there? I'm sorry I didn't cut it for you guys. Don't forget to like the video. I will see you guys on my next one. Bye.